Tired of losing sales to oversellings and stock errors? With EasyChannel we are here to fix it. With real-time inventory sync across all of your products, control of multiple warehouses, and support for bundles and kits, EasyChannel has everything that you need to make sure your inventory is synced seamlessly across all of your business. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to manage your inventory across all of your business like never before. Let's dive in. One of the biggest challenges of multi-channel e-commerce is to keep all of your inventory synced across every platform that you sell on. With EasyChannel, it's easy. Whether an item sells, restock, or updated, it will be synced on every platform that you sell on. Let me show you how it's being done in the platform.
First, let's head to the product catalog. We'll select Inventory Management from the left sidebar. Here, we can view all our products in one table, showing on-hand quantities, available quantities, and reserved quantities for orders. You can apply different filters based on conditions like price and quantity. Individual changes can be made to the product inventory, and you can also perform bulk actions like exporting your inventory to CSV or making bulk inventory changes. For example, I'll demonstrate changing all inventory quantities to one in bulk. Next, we head to the Inventory Sync settings. After selecting your store, you'll see 4 types of synchronization. Price synchronization allows syncing prices between EasyChannel and Shopify, with options for custom pricing, including increases, multipliers, or automatic rounding to 0.99. Inventory synchronization updates changes from inventory updates in EasyChannel catalog to other channels, ensuring dynamic catalog updates stay in sync. Finally, update inventory from orders ensures every new order from the sales channel affects the total available quantities, impacting your overall inventory of a product. You can customize these settings for each store, which keeps your stock levels accurate everywhere without any manual updates.
If you manage multiple warehouses, EasyChannel can make it even easier for you by setting priorities to make sure all the products are getting dispatched from the right warehouse and all the stock and quantities are being deducted in the right priority. Let's take a look how it's being done in real time.
Now, let's learn how to edit product inventory individually. Head back to the products catalog and select a product. Click on Edit Product. And within the Inventory tab, you have several options. First, adjust the on-hand quantity and specify the bin location, such as row 14, shelf A. You can also manage inventory across multiple warehouses. Click Manage Warehouses to navigate to the Warehouse Management tab. Here, you can view your existing warehouses and add new ones. For instance, create a Miami warehouse with a contact person named John Smith. Once added, you can set warehouse priorities to determine which inventory is used first for orders. Higher priority warehouses fulfill orders first. Now, return to your product, update the inventory, and assign quantities to each warehouse. The total inventory will be allocated based on warehouse priority. Check the Logs tab for a full log of sales and inventory changes across all of your marketplaces.
Do you sell bundles and kits? It can be really tricky, but with EasyChannel we take all the hassle out of it with automatic sync between bundles, kits, and multiple components. Let's take a quick look.
Now, let's select a product to create a bundle from. We'll use these water drop shaped earrings as an example. We have 100 units available. Let's create a bundle with this product. First, I'll create a new product and give it a title, SKU and category, and then upload an image. Next, let's go to the inventory section, and this is where things get interesting. Because it's a bundle or kit, the inventory works a little differently. Let's click on the Bundle and Kits option. Let's select the product you want to include in this bundle. I want to add the water drop earrings, and since it's a bundle of 2 units, I'll set it so that each order of this product requires 2 units. This way, the bundle quantity is 2, the on-hand stock is 100, and the available quantity will automatically update to reflect this. Let's click Save. Now you can see, for instance, with 100 units on hand and 2 units per bundle, the system calculates that you can sell 50 bundles. This method ensures smart inventory management and helps you optimize bundles or kits seamlessly for your products.
With the EasyChannel, you have everything that you need to make sure your inventory sync seamlessly across all of your business, whether it's bundle, kits, or multiple warehouses, we got you covered. So don't forget to give like and subscribe to stay tuned on everything that we do here in EasyChannel, where we make multi-channel e-commerce easy.